Hello guys, it's me, Sir Dan Apostol. So in this video, we are going to discuss the segment of a circle and its area. So define muna natin what is a segment of a circle. So a segment of a circle is the region. Segment of a circle is a region bounded by an arc and its chord. So like in our figure, ito yung figure natin, we have circle B. So, ang ating given dito, we have this two radii, itong segment AB and segment BC. And meron na naman tayong central angle, which is angle ABC. But, in this case, yung endpoints ng ating radius, so meron tayong endpoints ng AB, endpoints ng radius BC, ay pinagdugtong natin. So makakabuo tayo ng chord, which is this chord AC, etong chord na to. Then, yung region na bounded nabuo nung chord and yung ating arc ng circle, etong shaded part, this is called the segment of the circle. So ito yung segment natin. Okay? So yan ay part ng ating sector, yung segment. Parte lang siya ng ating sector, which is created by the arc and yung chord. So, paano naman natin makukuha yung area niyan? To find the area of that segment or the segment of the circle, we have this formula. Area of a segment is equal to area of sector. So, alam naman natin yung area ng sector, etong buong to. Pag sinida natin tong buong to, this is the sector. Area of the sector. Then minus the area of the triangle. Since ang kinukuha lang natin itong part na to, itong shaded na to, i-minus natin itong triangle na to. Para makuha natin yung segment or yung area ng segment natin. So yung area of sector is given by theta over 360 degrees times pi r square. Itong part na to, this is the area of the sector. And minus the area of the triangle. So, yung area ng triangle, ito yung gagamitin natin formula. 1/2 r square times sin c. So, since yung mga given triangle natin dito is not always right triangle, so gagamitan natin siya ng formulang ito. 1/2 r square sin c, where r is the radius. So, yung sin natin, sin c, yung c naman is the central angle or yung angle na bounded nung ating segment. Okay, so let's have this following example. Example number 1. Find the area of the shaded region. So, yung region na to, which is etong part na mayroong shade. So, ano yung area niyan? Okay, so first, let us write the given. So, we have given, meron tayong theta, which is 60 degrees, or eto rin yung sa ating C. So, yung theta natin is 60 degrees. And we have the radius, which is 8 meters. And also, we have pi, which is 3.14 ang gagamitin natin. Okay, so, palitan lang natin yung ating panulat. So, substitute lang natin sa formula natin. So, area, ang formula natin ay area is equal to, we have the area of the sector, which is theta pi r square over 360 minus 1/2 r square sin. So, pwede na rin natin gamitin sin theta para hindi tayo malito. Kasi parehas rin naman sila na central angle. So, solve natin. That is equal to, substitute, theta is 60 degrees. So, times 3.14 times radius, which is 8 meter square, minus 1/2 times the radius, 8 meter square. Then, so 8 meter muna pala, 8 meter, then square natin. Then, sin theta is 60 degrees. So, sin theta, so sin 60 degrees. So, solve natin, simplify. So, meron pala itong over 360 degrees. So, is equal to, solve muna natin to, multiply muna natin to, pwede ma-multiply yan. So, we have 60 times 3.14, that is 188.4 times 8 square meters, we have 64. So, 64 square meters over 360 minus, so 1/2 times 8 meter square, that is 64 square meters. Then sin 60 degrees ang value natin, exact value. Wag muna tayo mag round off. So lagay natin dito kahit yung apat na values. So that is 0.86602.5. Yan, so ayun yung ating value ng sin 60 degrees. Then simplify natin, so we have multiply. So 188.4 times 64 square meters. So that is 12,057.6 square meters over 360 minus, so diretso na natin to, 64 square meters times 0.86602.5. So pag minultiply natin yon, ang makukuha natin ay 55.68, then over 2 kasi minultiply natin sa 1/2. So magiging sagot natin dito, so we have equals to 12,057.6 square meters. So meron pala tayong square meters dito, divided by 360, ang makukuha natin ay 33.49 square meters minus 55.68 square meters divided by 2, that is 27. Then that is 27.84 square meters. So subtract natin 33.49 minus 27.84. So magiging sagot natin dyan, yung area natin is equal to 5.78 square meters. So ito yung area ng segment natin na, so we have this area. Okay, next example number 2. So we have this circle H, and yung mga given natin dito, we have the radius which is 2 inches, itong segment GH. So the same rin yan dito kasi nga para silang radius. And ang central angle natin dito is given by this right angle. So ang right angle is 90 degrees. So let us solve natin. So we have the given is, we have the central angle which is 90 degrees, radius which is 2 inches, and meron tayong pi which is 3.14. So again, using the formula, we have area is equal to theta pi r square over 360 minus 1/2 r square sine theta. So substitute lang natin yung ating mga given. We have 90 times 3.14, then r 2 inches square, then over 360 minus 1/2 r is 2 inches square, then sine theta which is 90 degrees. Okay, so simplify natin, multiply muna natin yung 90 times 3.14, so that is 282.6, then 2 inches square, that is 4 square inches, over 360 minus, so we have 1/2 2 inches square, that is 4 square inches, then sine 90 degrees, so ang makukuha natin dyan ay 1. So pag ina natin sa calculator, ang value ng sine 90 degrees ay 1. So simplify natin. So we have multiply. So 282.6 times 4. So that is 3. Then divide na natin, diretso na natin. Or pwede natin i-multiply muna. So that is 282.6 times 4. So that is 1,130.4 divided by 360 minus, so multiply na natin to, 1 times 4, that is 4 times 1, that is 4. So meron tayong square inches dito. So that is 4 square inches divided by 2. So divide natin. 1,130.4 square inches divided by 360. So divide natin sa 360. Ang makukuha natin sagot ay 3.14 square inches minus 4 square inches divided by 2. That is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 3.14 square inches minus 2 square inches. Ang magiging sagot natin ay 1.14 square inches. So this is the area of the segment with the central angle of 90 degrees and radius of 2 inches. So I hope nakatulong tong video natin for you to understand the sector of a circle and how to find its area. Thank you for watching and see you on our next upload. God bless everyone.